What's your fragrance? Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So this channel gonna be a place where I film my life, what I do in a day, basically normal vlog videos. As you can see, I just graduated from Berkeley College in Boston and I moved to LA. We'll see how it goes. So when I first arrived, I traveled in Vegas for a bit. Then I went to rent Airbnb for a month and then we're here in our new apartment. I really like this apartment so far. So yeah, I'm gonna show you what I do today. I'm gonna meet some Berkeley alumni as well. So we'll see. Yeah, I hope you enjoy the video and please like and subscribe.
The nation, I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
Okay, so let's do a room tour. This is a view from the bedroom. I changed my hair, by the way, if you didn't notice. And that's the closet. I'm not gonna show you that. I don't know why I started with the bedroom, but whatever. And then here is our living room. And that's the view with the balcony. And we just have this blind down. So yeah, this is just a living room area. We move on to the kitchen. Sorry, it's a bit messy right now because I was cooking. And we have a dishwasher here, so don't mind the mess. This is our dining table. I love the marbles. And I don't know what this is. This is a front door. Shoes, we need to reorganize that. This area will be like an office area, kind of. Here is a bathroom. So then now we're gonna go buy groceries because we literally don't have anything in the fridge. I mean, we have a few actually. But yeah, I need to get more food for myself and we're gonna go to Trader Joe's. This is my favorite juice of all time from Trader Joe's. So now Mike's gonna go buy his camera for what? He just want to have it, so we're gonna go to Best Buy to get camera. I have no idea. Look at the line, look at the line. Now we're here. So he wanted to get this, or maybe this. It looks the same to me. Now trying new camera. Yeah. So I just had quick food, and then now we're gonna go to my friend's place. What is that?
Better yet with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off.